Hi there, breaking news. Today, Sinclair released Sanchez Crew, a game that is prequel to Delta Shadow. It released to a closed community in Patreon, so I am one of the members. And it is first time, then I want to try this game and show you some spoilers probably. Here is my Go computer, game already in SD, so let's open. So I uploaded the Spectrum Next version and a classical one. So it's this game called called G&G. Started. English, Russian. No, English. Okay, English. Sanchez Crew. Sinclair. So amazing intro. Oh, this is Hero, this game. New game. Okay. Oh, Hero is a girl. He can think, jump. Nice. Okay. Let's game this new release later. Now it's it from me. Have a good day and become Patreon of Sinclair.